There's mummies in Philippi, West Virginia. They're in the Philippi Museum by lots and lots of exhibits about Lurch, since Ted Cassidy, who played Lurch, was from Philippi. Anyway, these mummies aren't like authentic Mexican mummies. They were inmates, which I think is a horrible word, from the state mental asylum in Weston, West Virginia. When they died, their families didn't collect their bodies. They were given to a farmer who was an amateur taxidermist, and he mummified them. They finally showed up in the Philippi History Museum, which is probably going to what happened to me when I die.